Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Terminal channel. Today we're looking at skills in Claude Code. Skills are reusable workflows and knowledge files that you can load on demand. By the end of this video, you'll understand the difference between reference and action skills, how to invoke them, and how to control when Claude loads them. Let's dive in. So what are skills? Skills are markdown files that contain knowledge, workflows, or instructions. There are two types. Reference skills hold things like API docs or style guides. Action skills define workflows like deploy or review. Unlike CLAUDE.md, which loads every session, skills load on demand. Claude Code also ships with bundled skills like /simplify, /batch, and /debug that work out of the box. Let me show you the bundled skills in action. If you type /simplify, Claude will look at your recent code and simplify it. If you type /debug, Claude enters a debugging mode where it systematically investigates issues. These built-in skills require no setup. They're ready the moment you install Claude Code. Now let's create our own skill. You write a markdown file with YAML front matter that defines the name and description. The body contains the actual workflow or instructions. Once the file is saved in your skills directory, you invoke it by typing / and the skill name. Here I'm creating a deploy skill with a simple checklist. Let's compare the two skill types side by side. Reference skills are things like API documentation, style guides, or schema definitions. Claude loads these automatically when they're relevant to what you're working on. Action skills are triggered manually. You type /deploy, /review, or /release to kick them off. Reference skills teach Claude. Action skills tell Claude what to do. By default, Claude can see all skill descriptions and auto-loads them when relevant. But sometimes you don't want that. Setting Disable Model Invocation to True in the front matter makes a skill invisible to Claude until you explicitly invoke it. This is important for skills with side effects, like deploying to production or publishing a package. It also saves context. A hidden skill costs 0 tokens until you actually use it. When you spawn a subagent, you can pass specific skills to it. Those skills are fully preloaded at launch. The subagent gets the complete skill content right away. But subagents don't inherit skills from the main session. You have to be explicit about what each subagent gets. This gives you precise control over what each agent knows and can do. Let's compare skills to CLAUDE.md. CLAUDE.md loads every session. It's always on. It's where you put rules like always use TypeScript or run tests before committing. Skills are on demand. They load when invoked or when Claude decides they're relevant. Keep your CLAUDE.md under 500 lines. If you have reference material like API docs or deployment checklists, move them to skills instead. Let's recap. Skills are your toolkit. Reference docs for knowledge, action workflows for tasks. They load on demand, keeping your context lean. Use Disable Model Invocation for anything with side effects. And keep CLAUDE.md short by moving reference content into skills. Next time, we'll cover MCP, the Model Context Protocol, which lets you connect Claude to external services. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.